Hey, what's going on, guys? Just wanted to do a quick unboxing video on the lower control arms for the 96 to 2000 Civic. Skunk2 always comes in either a silver package or a red package. That's how you know it's genuine. Always got the part number with the warranty sticker. Always have this sticker on there. I opened it last night just to make sure I didn't get fake parts. But that sticker is so you know it's real. See what we got here. Skunk2 always coming with some more Skunk2 stickers. Owner's kit. I always like to know what I'm getting before I buy it, or actually when I buy it. I try to look at videos like this, that way I see what's actually coming in the box. You got your warranty tag, another brochure with a bunch of like the Skunk2 products, show cars. And then you have them here. Lower control arms. These are the alphas. I believe there's an extra set up from here. But I believe these were like $190 shipped. Yeah, that's what it comes with. Everything in this box. Nothing else on there. Let me go ahead and open. First impression is these things are super light. And God, they look good, dude. I'm just loving all this Skunk2 stuff. And the good thing about Skunk2 is any of these bearings ever go out. I'm sorry, not bearings, bushings. They sell replacement bushings on their website for each one of their products. So right there, you know it's Skunk2. It's got the warranty sticker. Another thing that I like is everything's just like airtight. Barely any air in these packages. Everything's packaged really nice, labeled correctly. You only know it's real Skunk2 with the part number on the box. Obviously the color of the box. I think the lower control arms are the only thing that come in red. Everything else comes in silver. You always get the warranty tag, and it's got the sticker and the bushings, obviously. But yeah, but there it is. Lower control arms, Skunk2. This is for the 96 to 2000 Civic. I got the black, obviously. Super light. It's supposed to be 40% lighter than the OEM. Comes with everything you need. Just all plug and play. Shouldn't take long. But yeah, that's everything you get in the box. I'll show you the part number one more time. And look forward to getting really nice products anytime you order from Skunk2. There it is. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Unboxing video, Skunk2 lower control arms.